Greetings. Welcome to the module on brand kit creation. Here we'll discuss the elements of a visually cohesive brand identity. Crafting consistent brand imagery and tonality is pivotal to the success of personal branding. It helps to establish your identity and reinforces your brand in the audience's minds. Follow these guidelines to build a cohesive brand manual. 1. Choose your color palette. Select a color scheme that aligns with your brand and use it consistently. 2. Develop a visual style guide. Create a manual that includes guidelines for typography, photography, and other visual elements. This ensures that your visual branding is coherent. 3. Use a consistent tone of voice. Determine the tone of voice you want to deliver your message and maintain consistency. You can select a conversational, authoritative, inspirational, or humorous tone. 4. Create a brand messaging guide. Develop a messaging guide that outlines your brand story, which serves as a reference point for communicating with your audience across different channels. The document covers positioning, mission, values, purpose, target personas, voice tone, brand architecture, messaging pillars, and guidelines for different channels like email, website, social platforms, and direct messages. 5. Use templates. Create ready-to-go structures for your social media feed, such as posts, stories, and thumbnails. This helps in having a consistent visualization. The end result of the exercise is a brand kit that acts as a dossier for all communication on personal branding. With a well-crafted brand identity, you can confidently communicate your message and build strong connections. Well done, you have completed this section. Coming up next, we'll learn how to build communities.